USMW-HD Water Pump number US6342. This heavy-duty water pump is a direct replacement for various Freightliner, International, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Sterling Truck, and Western Star vehicles equipped with Caterpillar C15 ACERT, as well as 2004 to 2015 Cat 15 liter and 893 cubic inch, 14.6 liter, 6-cylinder engines. Check out the full listing at usmotorworks.com. USMW heavy-duty water pumps are 100% new, not remanufactured. They are assembled in the USA using high-quality components and are 100% leak-tested prior to shipping. This pump features a precision CNC-machined cast iron housing with a 74-tooth machine steel drive gear, premium seals, case-hardened bearings, a cast iron machined impeller, and comes complete with all necessary gaskets to do the job right. These premium components combine to provide optimum cooling and pump longevity. USMW-HD water pumps are also designed and manufactured to meet or exceed all OEM specifications. USMW Heavy-Duty, industry-leading quality, 100% OEM performance.